So in this video, I would like to discuss about a register. Uh, Very important topic. As per section 88, requires that every company to maintain the following register with along with the index thereof. Okay, member का register of members for each class of equity and preference share separately. Then रजिस्टर ऑफ डिबेंचर होल्डर, जितने डिबेंचर होल्डर है उन लोगों का रजिस्टर ऑफ एनी अदर सिक्योरिटी होल्डर एंड फॉरेन रजिस्टर ऑफ मेंबर्स एंड डिबेंचर होल्डर, ये सब रजिस्टर नीड टू बी मेंटेन बाय एवरी कंपनी. ओके, register members for each class of equity and preference share separately, register of debenture holders, register of any other security holders, and foreign register of members and debenture holder, etc. Every company shall from the date of its registration keep and maintain a register of its member in one or more book in form number MGT1. form number MGT1 ये important है. Of companies management and administration rule 2014. Okay, then again mention that in the case of a company existing on the commencement of the act, the particulars as available in the register of members maintained under Companies Act 1956 transferred to the new register of member in form number MGT1, and in case additional information required as per provision of the act and these rules provided by the members, such information may also be added in the register as and when required. Okay, then rule 3 subsection 2, in the case of a company not having share capital, the register of member shall contain the following particular in respect of each member: name of the member, address, register office address in case the member is a body corporate, email address, PAN or SIN, unique identification number, date of becoming a member, date of cessation, amount of guarantee, any other interest if any, and instruction if any given by the member with regard to sending of notice. Okay, and then register of debenture holder and or any other security holder. Rule 4 of Companies Management and Administration of 2014 provide that every company which issues or allows debentures or any other security shall maintain a separate register of debenture holder or security holders for each type of debenture or other security in form number MGT2. Okay, so what is index? Section 88 subsection 2 provide that every register maintained for members, debenture holders or other securities shall include an index of the names included therein. What do you mean by depository? Section 88 subsection 3 provide that the register and index of beneficial owner maintained by a depository under section 11 of the Depository Act 1996 shall be deemed to be the corresponding register and index for the purpose of this act. Okay, so now then maintenance of register of members, etc. Rule 5 provide that every company shall maintain the register under section 88 in the following manner. The entries in the register shall be made in 7 days after the board of directors or its duly authorized committee approve the allotment of transfer of share, debenture or any other security. The register shall be maintained at the registered office of the company unless a special resolution is passed in a general meeting authorizing the keeping of the register at any other place within the city, town or village in which the registered office is situated, or any other place in India in which more than 1/10 of the total member entered in the register of member reside. Okay, so consequent upon the buyback of shares, a reduction in share capital, subdivision, consolidation of shares, issue of sweet equity shares, transmission of shares, etc., the entry shall be made within 7 days after approval of the board of committee in the register of member or in the respective register. Okay, so in this way, company need to maintain register of members. Then preservation of register. Now, preservation of register. Rule 15 provide that the register of member along with the index shall be preserved permanently and shall be kept under the custody of the company secretary or any other person authorized by the board, the register of debenture holder or any other security holders along with the index shall be preserved for a period of 8 years. Remember, इसमें question multiple choice question आएगा, that the register of debenture holder or any other security holders along with the index shall be preserved for a period of 8 years from the date of redemption of debenture or securities and shall be kept in the custody of company secretary or any other person authorized by the board. The foreign register of members shall be preserved permanently unless it is discontinued and all the entries are transferred to any other foreign register or to the principal register. Foreign register of debenture holder or any other security holder shall be preserved for a period of 8 years from the date of redemption of such debenture of security. The foreign register shall be kept in custody of the company secretary or person authorized by the act. Then what are the penalty system in this? As per section 88 subsection 5 provide that if a company does not maintain a register of members or debenture holder or other security holder or fail to maintain them in accordance with the provision of the act and rules, the company and every officer of the company who is in default shall be punished with fine which shall not be less than 50,000 but which may extend to 3 lakh. पहले तो मिनिमम पेनल्टी होगा 50,000 अगर कंपनी ने मेंटेन नहीं किया है, then which is may be extend to 3 lakh and where the failure is a continuing one with a further fine which may extend to 1,000 for every day after years first during which the failure continues. Okay, and as per section 89 subsection 5 provide that if any person fail to make a declaration in respect of beneficial interest in any share without any reasonable cause, he shall be punishable with fine which may extend to 50,000 and where the failure is a continuing one with a further fine which may extend to 1,000 for every day after the fast during which failure continues. Okay, so then as per section 89 subsection 7 provide that if a company required to file the declaration with the registrar fail to do so before the expiry of the time specified, the company and every officer of the company who is in default shall be punishable with fine which shall not be less than 500 but which may extend to 1,000 and where the failure is a continuous one with a further fine which may extend to 1,000 for every day after the fast during which the failure continue. Okay, so this is the penalty system, and now we have to discuss all the multiple choice question as well as all the long time question. So first, fill in the blanks. Number 1, every company limited by shares shall keep and maintain the register of member in form number dash. We have already studied that every company limited by shares shall keep and maintain the register of member in form number MGT1. Number 2, the registration shall be preserved for a period of dash years. The registration shall be preserved for a period of 8 years. Number 3, a company may close the register of member, debenture, etc. for any period not exceeding in the aggregate of dash days in each year. The right answer is 45 days in each year. Declaration of beneficial interest in any share shall be filed by a person with a company in dash within dash days from the date of the entry of his name in the register. The right answer is the declaration of beneficial interest in any share shall be filed by a person with a company in duplicate within 30 days from the date of the entry of his name in the register. Then number 5, the existing company shall comply with the particular within dash from the date of commencement of the rules. The right answer is 6 months. Okay, so now model questions. Discuss the provisions on foreign register. What particulars are to be entered in the register of member? Write notes on the maintenance of register of member. ये important. Write notes on the maintenance of register of members. Write short notes on closure of register, preservation of register and inspection of register by whom the register can be authenticated under rules. Number 4 also important. So in this way I have discussed all the multiple choice question as well as all the model questions. इसके नेक्स्ट वीडियो में हम लोग डिस्कस करेंगे अबाउट एनुअल रिटर्न, सर्टिफिकेट फॉर एनुअल रिटर्न, फाइलिंग ऑफ एनुअल रिटर्न and what are the penalty system for non-filing of annual return and preservation period. Okay, so before that, uh, thank you so much for your time and thank you so much for your support.